right, we're gonna try some of the snacks. What should we start with? Okay, we're gonna try these apple gummies. Oh, they're tiny. They're like literally like little apples.
Like fruit snacks.
Oh, I won't chew it until you put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth. Okay. They're tough. They're not juicy. They're not bad though. I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. Let's try this banana cake. Smells like banana. Oh, you have to try it. Okay, I'm gonna take a bite. Let me just take a bite. Ew, it's like, it's all the way closed. I thought I could see like filling. I don't know, can you see that? It's so squishy. I'm so scared.
You're not supposed to put it on.
Hush.
Is it chewy? Is it doughy? Is it like mochi nut donuts?
It is kind of doughy. I can't tell, like, it's not really a cream. It's like a custard, kind of.
Like ice cream?
But it just tastes like bread. That's all right. No, not like that. Bite. It's not like ice cream. It's very...
Oh.
I'm going to give that a 3. We'll let Carter try that. All right, we're going to try the sizzled barbecue flavor Lay's. These, they have like a steak and a bell pepper on them. So we'll see. I feel like I saw these somewhere. Maybe went to the Mall of America. That is so interesting. So instead of just being in there like Pringles, like how smart is that? That is so smart. Okay. Okay. Them are good. They really just taste like barbecue chips. I'm getting to 8. Which is pretty good.
9.
Definitely a palate cleanser for that last one. Okay. You can find this kit in my showcase.